Our next act, Nagendra Hare. Shiva Panchak Sharma Stotra, Adi Shankaracharya. Shiva is Shakti. Shakti is Shiva. Nothing is everything, everything is nothing. May the Almighty give us the ability to be grateful for everything as we come from nothing. Through the powerful incantation of the sacred syllables Om Namah Shivaya, this dance piece vividly portrays the magnificent and majestic form of Lord Shiva. Adorned with serpents as a garland around his neck, his body covered in sacred ash, and his forehead marked with sandal paste, Shiva embodies both spiritual discipline and divine grandeur. He is also depicted as Ardhanarishwara, the union of masculine and feminine energies. His neck turns blue after consuming the ocean's poison, while his hands hold the trident, Trishula, axe, and Damaru, symbols of cosmic balance and rhythm. His unbound locks flow wildly, and he carries a bow signifying strength and protection. Nagendra Hare is more than a dance. It is a spiritual offering where the dancer becomes a medium to channel Shiva's presence. With its rhythmic intensity and emotive depth, this piece captivates the audience, drawing them into the mystical aura of the divine. We bow in devotion to his omnipresence. Raga by Ragi, original choreography by Padma Vibhushan Sri Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra, group choreography Srimati Shohini Bose Banerjee, and our performers are Jaita, Paulami, Swati Shri, Chayanika, Saumita, Suksha, Suhani, Maitreyi, and Shubhasmita.
नकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय मंदाकिनी सलील चंदन चर्चिताय मंदाकिनी सलील चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर 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 प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मंदार पुष्प बहुपुष्प सुपूजिताय मंदार पुष्प बहुपुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय वदनाब्जवृन्द सूर्याय दक्ष धोरनाशकाय शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्जवृन्द सूर्याय दक्ष धोरनाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय नीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय कुंभोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्रदेवार्चितशेखराय वसिष्ठ कुंभोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्रदेवार्चितशेखराय चन्द्रार्कवैश्वानरलोचनाय चन्द्रार्कवैश्वानरलोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्राय सनातनाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्राय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै अकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय